I now know how to make a shoe. Take away everything from me, put me on the street, I'll make a shoe and I'll sell it. I'll still have an income. Hi, I'm Avinash Pyariyal. I'm 35 years old and I'm a junior footwear technologist at Mr. Price. So in 2014, I applied for an admin position at a footwear company that supplies Mr. Price. And upon the interview, the lady took interest in me and saw the passion in me, and she suggested that we apply for the JumpStart program. I literally had no idea what I was walking into. The JumpStart program is 5 days a week, and it's an 11-month program. The program that I did was basically a pre-production course. Like you're buying, you're planning, costing, you're designing. So it basically covered all those processes. After graduating, the company that did apply for me to get accepted in the program is the same company that I got employed by as a junior designer / sample chaser. When I first got into Mr. Price, my senior was prepping me up for getting my own profile. Now I have 2 profiles, kids and toddlers. I got into the JumpStart program at the age of 26. I had no idea where I was heading in life, and the JumpStart program definitely gave me direction and an opportunity. It's entirely up to you of what you make of it, but Mr. Price gives you the opportunity, so take it with both hands.